Hello everyone. We are in continuation to solve our CBSE math previous year board papers and in continuation to solving for the year 2016. This is set 3 and we have already finished section A, section B and section C in our previous videos, and now this is the last part, section D of this paper. So it has 11 questions and 4 marks each. There are 4 questions different from set 1 and set 2. So this is question number 21st. In this question we have 50 schools who collectively offer to share the cost of 1500 tents equally. We have tents whose base in the form of cylinder and we have a cone on the top, and the radius of this cylinder is 2.8 meter and the height is 3.5 meter, and the height of the conical part is 2.1 meter and the base radius is same. To find the area of the canvas used here, we have to find the total surface area of this tent. So this is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. Let's write down the formulae. So we have curved surface area of cone is pi RL and for cylinder is 2 pi RH. So let's find out the value of L. L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. So we have radius is 2.8 whole square plus 2.1 whole square. Square root of 7.84 plus 4.41. This is equal to square root of 12.25. So this is a perfect square, so 3.5 meter. Now let's substitute this here. So pi and R I can take common here. So I have L plus 2H left. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 2.8 for both and L is 3.5 plus 2 into 3.5, height of the cylinder. So this is 0.4. So this is equal to 8.8 into 3.5 plus 7. This is equal to 8.8 into 10.5. Little bit of rough work here. So 105 into 88 and this is 840 and 840. So this would be equal to 92.40 meter square. So this is the area of the canvas required for one tent. So now we'll find out area of 1500 tents would be equal to 92.4 into 1500. So therefore cost is equal to area into rate. Rate is 120 per square meter. So area is equal to 92.4 into 1500 into rate is 120 and amount shared by each school. So there are 50 schools, will be equal to 92.4 into 1500 into 120 divided by 50. So this gets cancelled and 300. 10 gets cancelled for this decimal point. So we have 924 into 12 into 30. So this is equal to 12 448 428 to 108 and 110 into 30. So this is equal to 0 24, 2, 26 and 3 and 3. So this is the answer, rupees. And the value shown here is to help the needy people. Question number 22nd. In this question we have 49 houses in a row. So they are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 48, 49. Now there is a house number X such that sum of these house numbers, let it be sum 1, is equal to sum of these house numbers. Let this be sum 2. Now let's have AP1, the sum of the houses before X. A here is 1, D is also 1 and N is equal to X minus 1. And in AP2 we have A is equal to 49. I am going to take in the reverse order, and D is equal to minus 1 and N is equal to 49 minus X. Sum of N terms is equal to N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1 into D. So now let's substitute for AP1. So here we have N as X minus 1 by 2 and 2 into 1 plus N minus 1. So N is X minus 1 minus 1, D is 1. This is equal to N here is 49 minus X divided by 2 and 2 into 49 plus N is 49 minus X minus 1 into minus 1. So here we have X minus 1 by 2 and in bracket we have 2 plus X minus 2 is equal to 49 minus X by 2 and here 98 plus 48 minus X into minus 1. Then we have X minus 1 and this 2 can get cancelled here. So this 2 and this 2 also gets cancelled into X is equal to 49 minus X into this is 98 and minus 48 plus X. Here we have X square minus X is equal to 49 minus X into 50 plus X. So this is equal to X square minus X is equal to 0, 45 and 2450 minus 50X plus 49X minus X square. We have 2X square and this is plus X minus X is equal to 2450. So this gets cancelled and we have 2x square is equal to 2450. X square is equal to 2450 divided by 2. So we have 1225. So X is equal to 35. That's a perfect square answer. Question number 23rd. In this question we are given a triangle ABC and A is 4, 6, B is 1 and 5, then C is 7 and 2. And the line segment DE is drawn to intersect the sides D and E. Are given that AD by AB is equal to AE by AC is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to calculate the area of triangle ADE and we have to compare it with the area of triangle ABC. To calculate the area of the triangle ADE, first we need to find out the coordinates of D and E. AD by AB is equal to 1 by 3. AD and AB I can write down as AD plus DB is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, thrice AD is equal to AD plus DB. So I can say twice AD is equal to DB. So therefore, AD is to DB is equal to 1:2. Similarly, we'll have the ratio of AE is to EC is also equal to 1:2. So now we can use the section formula to find out the coordinates of D and E. So section formula we have as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 2, x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 6 and y2 is equal to 5. So now let's substitute. So coordinates of point D for xy is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2, and for y coordinate we have 1 into 5 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1 plus 2. So these are equal to 1 plus 8 divided by 3, and we have here 12 and 5 17 by 3. So this is equal to 9 by 3 and 17 by 3. This goes by 3 times. So coordinates of D are 3 and 17 by 3. Similarly, for coordinates of E, m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 7, y1 is equal to 6 and y2 is equal to 2. Now let's substitute for the coordinates of E. xy is equal to, we have 1 into 7 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2, and we have for y coordinate 1 into 2 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 7 plus 8 divided by 3 and 2 plus 12 by 3. So this is equal to 15 by 3 and this is 14 by 3. So this is 5. So coordinates for point E are 5 and 14 by 3. Area of the triangle is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Area of triangle ADE, we have the coordinates x1 y1 is equal to 4 and 6, x2 y2 is equal to 3 and 17 by 3, then x3 y3 is equal to 5 and 14 by 3. Area is equal to half into 4 into 17 by 3 minus 14 by 3 plus 3 into 14 by 3 minus 6 plus 5 into 6 minus 17 by 3. Half into 4 into 3 by 3 plus 3 into 18, so minus 4 by 3 plus 5 into 18 minus 17, so 1 by 3. So this is equal to half, and this is 4, this gets cancelled, minus 4 plus 5 by 3. So this gets cancelled, so we get 5 by 6. We have to find out the area of triangle ABC also to compare. So now here x1, y1 is equal to 4 and 6, x2, y2 is equal to 1 and 5, and x3, y3 is equal to 7 and 2. Area of the triangle. So let's substitute. Half into 4, 5 minus 2, plus 1 into 2 minus 6 into plus 7, 6 minus 5. Half into 4 into 3 plus 1 into minus 4 plus 7 into 1. So this is equal to half into 12 minus 4 plus 7. So this is equal to half into 15. So 15 by 2. Ratio of areas is equal to area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC. This is equal to 5 by 6 and this is 15 by 2. So this is equal to 5 by 6 into 2 by 15, 2, 3, 5, 3. So this is equal to 1 by 9. Answer. 24th question. In this question, we are given two circles with equal radius with centers O and O dash. So this is O and this is O dash. They're touching each other at X. So a line is drawn from O to this. This point is A, and AC is tangent to the circle with center O. This point is C, and we are given OD dash is perpendicular to AC. So this is perpendicular to AC. OC will be perpendicular to AC, and we have to find the value of DO dash by CO. We are given two equal circles with centers O and O dash touching each other at X, and we are also given O dash D is perpendicular to AC. Okay, and we have to find DO dash by CO. Okay, so let's say radii of both circles B are in triangles ADO dash and ACO. We have angle A is equal to angle A because that's the common angle, and angle ADO dash is equal to angle ACO. Both are equal to 90 degree as O dash is perpendicular to AC and OC is perpendicular to AC. Line from center to tangent. Therefore, triangle ADO dash is similar to triangle ACO by AA property. So by CPCT, we have AO dash by AO is equal to O dash D by OC is equal to AD by AC, and AO dash is equal to R, and AO will be equal to 3R, because the diameter of one circle and radius of other circles, so 3R. Therefore AO dash by AO is equal to R by 3R, so this is equal to 1 by 3, and this is also equal to DO dash by CO. So answer we have DO dash by CO is equal to 1 by 3. Question number 25. In this question, we are given the speed of motorboat in still water is 24 km per hour, and distance is equal to 32 kilometers, and we have to find the speed of stream, and we are also given that time to go upstream is more than time to go downstream by 1 hour. Time is equal to distance by speed. Let the speed of the stream, which we need to find out, be x kilometer per hour. Time of going upstream minus time of going downstream is equal to 1. Now time of upstream, so distance is same, so 32 kilometer upstream, and when you are going upstream, speeds are subtracted, so speed of boat minus speed of stream minus time, again distance is same, and here speeds will be added, so 32 is common, and I can write down 24 plus x minus 24 minus x is equal to 24 minus x into 24 plus x. So here we have 32 into 24 plus x minus 24 plus x is equal to 24 square minus x square. This 24 and 24 gets cancelled, so 32 into 2, so 64x is equal to 576 minus x square. So everything bringing on the left hand side, we get x square plus 64x minus 576 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this equation, so for that we need to find out two numbers such that sum is equal to 64 and product is equal to minus 576. So let's find out the factors. 576 288 into 2 times, and 3 1 9 and 2, then 144 into 4, 6 times 96, 8 times 72. We can take plus 72 and minus 8. So let's spread the middle term. X square plus 72x minus 8x minus 576 is equal to 0. X is common. X plus 72 minus 8, x plus 72 is equal to 0. So x minus 8 and x plus 72 are the factors for this equation. So x is equal to 8 or minus 72. So as x not be negative here, therefore x is equal to 8. So answer, the speed of stream is 8 km per hour. 26th question. In this question we are given a figure which has a circle with center O, and we have a triangle here, A, B, B, this angle is theta, and AB is perpendicular to the radius OA. We know this is shown as the tangent, and radius is OA R, and we have a shaded portion here. We are given that angle BOA is equal to theta, radius is equal to R. We have to prove that perimeter of shaded region is R into tan theta plus sec theta plus pi theta by 180 minus 1. Perimeter would be equal to arc AP plus PB plus AB. Arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Tan theta is equal to AB by r, therefore AB is equal to tan theta r. And then we have cos theta is equal to r by OB, therefore OB is equal to r by cos theta. Now let's substitute in first. So we have again perimeter, I'll write down arc AP plus AB plus PB. So we have arc AP, we have already found out, theta by 360 into 2 pi r plus AB is tan theta r, PB is OB minus OP. So this is equal to 2 gets cancelled with this 180. So we have theta by r divided by 180 degree plus tan theta r, and OB we have as r by cos theta minus OP is again r here, and we see r is common everywhere, so r pi theta by 180 degree plus tan theta cos theta I can write down as sec theta minus 1. So now I can just write down as it is asked in the question. So plus sec theta plus pi theta by 180 minus 1. So hence proved. Question number 27. In this question, we have to prove the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So let's say this is the circle with center O, and this be the external point, and these are the two tangents drawn. So let this point be R, this be P, this be Q, and center is O. We can join OR and we can draw center to the point of contact. This is equal to 90 degree. Given we have a circle with center O and tangents PR and QR drawn from external point R. Construction here: join OR and perpendiculars OP and OQ to prove PR is equal to QR. in triangles OPR and OQR. So we have to write down the statements and we have to write down the reasons. OP is equal to OQ. Both are radii of same circle. Angle OPR is equal to angle OQR is equal to 90 degrees perpendicular from center to tangent. OR is equal to OR, so that is common. So I can say triangle OPR is congruent to triangle OQR by RHS property. So therefore PR is equal to QR by CBSE. So hence proved. 28th question. In this question we are given that two pipes fill a tank in 1 by 9 minutes, 100 by 9 minutes. Therefore in 1 minute both can fill 9 by 100th tank. Let pipe 1 fill the tank in x minutes. Therefore it will fill 1 by xth tank in 1 minute, and pipe 2 will fill, because they said 5 minutes more, in x plus 5 minutes. Therefore it will fill 1 by x plus 5th tank in 1 minute. Tank filled by pipes is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 9 by 100. So we have got equation. Let's solve it. Taking LCM, we have x plus 5 plus x by x into x plus 5 is equal to 9 by 100. So we have 100 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 9x into x plus 5. So this is 200x plus 500 is equal to 9x square plus 45x. Taking everything on the right hand side, we have 9x square minus 155x minus 500 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this equation. So we have to find two numbers such that sum is equal to minus 155 and product has to be minus 4500. 45 into 1, 2250 into 2, 3, 1500, 4, then 5, 900, 6, 750, 9, 500 and 10, 450, 12, 3, 75, then 15, 300, 18 and 250, 20, 25, 180. Yes, so we got the factors here. So we can split the middle term as 9x square minus 180x plus 25x minus 500 is equal to 0. So 9x is common here. We have x minus 20 plus 25 is common. X minus 20 is equal to 0. So 9x plus 25 here, and we have x minus 20 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 25 by 9, or 20, as x cannot be negative here. Therefore, x is equal to 20. So, answer: one pipe can fill the tank in 20 minutes and the other in 5 minutes more. So 20 plus 5, 25 minutes. Question number 29th. This question says, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. This is the tower and this is the angle of elevation, 60 degrees. From a point 40 meter vertically above the previous point, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. To find the height of the tower, so this be h and the horizontal distance between the point of observation and tower. So let this be D. Let's name the vertices. So A, B, C, D and E. Tan 60 degree is equal to h by D. So tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to h by D. H is equal to root 3 D. Now we can say tan 30 degree is equal to h minus 40, because this is 40 meter divided by D. So tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3D minus 40 by D. This we have substituted from first, we can see. So we have D is equal to root 3 into root 3D minus 40. So D is equal to 3D minus 40 root 3. 2D is equal to 40 root 3. So D is equal to 20 root 3. D is equal to 20 into 1.732. We have 6 and 3, 4 and 1 decimal point is gone. So 34.64 meter. Substituting D in first, h is equal to root 3D. So h is equal to root 3 into 20 root 3. So h is equal to 20 into 3. So this is equal to 60 meter. Answer: the height of the tower is 60 meter and horizontal distance is 34.64 meter. 30th question. This is a question on construction and we have to draw a triangle with sides 5, 6 and 7 centimeters, and we have to draw another triangle whose sides are 4/5 of the corresponding sides of this triangle ABC. So we have to draw another triangle, maybe A dash and C dash. Let's start constructing. So this is BC 7 centimeter. We'll take from B 5 centimeter arc and we'll take from C 6 centimeter arc. So we get this point as A. Let's join AB and AC. We got the triangle ABC. Now we have to draw a similar triangle which is 4/5 of this triangle. So now from B we'll draw a line on the opposite side of A at any angle. Let this be BZ, and we'll draw the equal arcs starting from B. So one arc from B, A1, second arc A2, then third arc A3, fourth arc A4, fifth arc A5, and we will join A5 to C. Measure this angle, and the same angle we are going to make at A4 to make a line parallel to A5 and C. So we get this point as C dash. Now we are going to measure this angle C, and we will draw the same angle at C dash. So this is A dash. So here A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Let's write down the steps of construction. First step, draw a triangle ABC with sides AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Then second, from B, draw a line BZ at any angle on opposite side of A. Starting from B, make equal arcs on BZ, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Join A5 to C. At A4, make an angle equal to angle B A5 C to get C dash. Sixth, at C dash, make an angle equal to angle C to get A dash. Seventh, A dash B C dash is the required triangle. 31st question, last question of this section as well as this question paper. In this question, we have a number x which is randomly selected from the numbers 1, 4, 9 and 16. And there is a number y which is randomly selected from the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we have to find the probability that the value of xy is greater than 16. Let's find out the outcomes here. So let's see the outcomes here. I can write down the values randomly selected from 1, 4, 9 and 16. Here I can write down the 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the values for x and these are the values for y. Let's find out the product. So 1, 4, 9 and 16. This would be 2, 8, 18, 32, then 3, 12, 27 and 48. This would be 4, 16, 36 and 64. Now the product has to be greater than 16. Would be this number, then this number, this number we have, then 27, 36 and 64. Total outcomes are 16, and number of favorable outcomes we can count, it's 6. So probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So probability of this event will be equal to 6 by 16. So we have 3 times and 8 times. So 3 by 8. So this is the answer. So with this we have finished this section as well as this question paper, and we have finished all 3 sets of year 2016. So next video we are going to start the paper 2017. So stay tuned and see you all.